Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what I have here are a few iPhone clips for an upcoming project, and after I imported them, I noticed that the highlights, the lighter parts of the picture, were heavily overexposed, or just significantly brighter than they should be when imported into Premiere. So how you can fix this is simply to select the iPhone clip here, go to Window, and go to Lumetri Color. From here, go to Settings, Preferences, and make sure these two boxes are ticked. And from there, we'll go ahead and change HDR graphics white from 100 to 203. We'll change 3D LUT interpolation to tetrahedral and keep viewer gamma the same. We'll also make sure this box is ticked, color manage, auto-detected log, and raw media. So we're going to leave sequence as is, and we're going to go to advanced. Make sure your working color space is Rec 709, should be by default. Next, we'll make sure input tone mapping is checked. Next, in sequence clip, we're going to go to input tone mapping and change hue preservation to max RGB. Gives us just a little bit more color, and it's a little bit brighter without being too bright. And from here, we can actually tweak it just a little bit. And then once you get the exposure and the highlight saturation to your liking, go ahead and click on Apply to All Clip Instances, which will apply all these changes to all the clips. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can fix iPhone footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro or any other video editing software, be sure to leave something in the comments down below and your question could be the next tutorial. This is Andy, signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.